Hey folks, what's up? Welcome back to the channel today. We're zooming in on XRP, the Ripple powerhouse that's been turning heads in early 2026. If you're in the USA, you know XRP's got that institutional vibe going strong. Think ETFs pulling in billions and regulatory wins paving the way for more adoption. This chart you're seeing, it's from Binance on the XRP USDT pair, captured around January 10th, and it's screaming potential. Let's dive in and make sense of it without getting lost in the weeds, keeping it engaging, straightforward and actionable. Right off the bat, XRP's sitting at $2.1008, up a solid 0.42% on the day. That's after a wild 24-hour ride with a high of $2.11 and a low dipping to $2.0825. Volumes clocking in at over 30 million XRP traded, worth about $64 million in USDT. Not massive, but steady enough to show real interest from traders. Looking at the bigger picture here, this is likely a 4-hour timeframe chart, spanning from late December 2025 to January 10th, 2026. You can see the price action kicking off around $1.81, then exploding upward in a sharp rally to a peak of about $2.41. Boom, that's a quick 33% pump. But then it cools off, pulling back to our current level around $2.10. Classic crypto volatility, right? It's like XRP flexed hard after some positive vibes in the market, maybe tied to those fresh ETF inflows or broader bull sentiment. And now it's catching its breath. Check out those moving averages curving across the chart. They're your trend spotters. The shorter ones, like the 7-period EMA at $2.0971 and the 25 at $2.1169, are hovering just above or around the price, hinting at a bit of resistance overhead. But dig this, the longer-term ones, such as the 200-period at $2.039, are below us, which is a bullish sign that the overall uptrend from December is still intact. No major breakdowns here. It's more like consolidation mode. Down below, the RSI is chilling at 50.54, smack in neutral territory. Not overbought or oversold, so plenty of room to run either way. MACD's flatlining near zero with tiny negative values, showing momentum's paused but not reversing hard. And volume bars at the bottom. They're tapering off after that spike during the rally, which often means the market's digesting before the next leg. Overall, this setup feels like XRP's coiling up after erasing those December lows. It's not screaming, all-time high tomorrow, but it's got that resilient energy, holding key support around $1.80, 2.00, while eyeing resistance up at $2.30, 2.50. If you're trading this, watch for a break above that $2.11 high to confirm more upside. Otherwise, we might test lower supports first. But hey, with XRP's real-world use in cross-border payments and banks warming up to it, this isn't just hype, it's got fundamentals backing the chart. Now let's talk predictions, because I know that's why you're here. For the short term, say, the next week or two heading into late January, I'm seeing potential for XRP to push toward $2.20, 2.35 if we get a volume spike and broader market support, like Bitcoin holding steady above $100K. But keep it real, some crowdsourced bets are leaning bearish, with a chance of dipping to $1.80, 2.00 if sentiment sours, especially with that upcoming Clarity Act vote on January 15th that could shake things up for regs. Don't sleep on the upside, though. If ETF flows keep rolling in, we're talking $43 million weekly lately. We could see a quick rebound. Zooming out to the rest of 2026, this is where it gets exciting for us in the States. With institutional money flooding crypto post-ETF approvals, analysts are calling for an average around $3.90. But the bold ones see $1.48 as totally doable if adoption ramps up. Think banks using Ripple's tech for trillions in transfers and tokenization exploding. Standard Chartered's even eyeing $8 on regulatory clarity. And some wild cards predict higher if we hit a full bull cycle.